trying to come to work today. Here we all are showing up. Got a tear off going on right here, Sierra 2.
You can mark these shingles up.
He said, fuck you, I'll be on the list. How you doing, Marco?
Good, how are you?
All right.
So Marco's right now?
Yeah.
Hey, Marco.
The Jefe is leaving.
Happy birthday, Mike.
Thank you.
How old are you, Mike?
Too old.
Too old.
How old are you?
37.
Okay, never mind.
Yeah.
See you later.
Right?
Can't even take you to the strip club. We're gonna get elder abuse.
Oh, that's where we're getting lunch. Getting some chicken wings and strippers. Nice.
Maybe me and Mike can. I don't know about you.
Why not?
You'll get in trouble if someone else see this video.
We just having fun.
I might too. I just might.
Oh,
Well,
I guess it's
give
only
him
me.
his breakdown on the list.
Right
Where,
there.
let him know where you want it and shit.
Well, we're probably gonna finish going to the end and see where they be on the road.
Let's scope up.
Marcos, you ready? Put it off. Okay.
What's up, Julie? No, I'm giving you a knuckles. Keep that drink back.
Marquitos. Nice, okay. Let's go, Michael.
What up? Good morning, bro.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning.
So you could start installing the roof and let them keep going. Yeah.
How did it go?
You just turn that part, or we're gonna start doing that?
We're gonna wrap a little bit. We're gonna bend that corner a little bit. I gotta find out what's the deal with the inspector. And then I'll go get some plastic and we probably have to plastic it up. Chance of rain at what you said? He said 1 o'clock. My phone said 5 o'clock. What's up, dude? You're late. But Sunday, 30% chance of rain, so we gotta be dried in by the weekend. Fucking, I gotta get back to the office, man. These guys, they're getting it done so quick. I gotta get another job. Fucking, after this one, we'll be getting into West Sac, cuz got a good one over there. About 1,000 squares, going with a PVC overlay. But easy money, man. Hard roofer. My goal for my New Year's resolution is to not install roofs anymore. I just want to sell the roofs.
And look away.
Got both my little brothers out here. Donovan came out to help out a little bit. Make some money real quick. Ethan's always in a better mood when his twins are around. You need a rope?
I don't know if Christian has one either. Can't tear up, man. I already passed by there, you know? Like this fool? Lazy motherfucker over here, bro. He thinks, just because it's his birthday, he thinks he's not gonna work? Bullshit, fool. Get your ass to work. Shit. Oh, yeah? Okay, he didn't say. Get your ass to work.
He said day off? Okay, cool. See you at work tomorrow.
said I can't let my best guy stay at home.
And then he proceeds.
Hey, that's why I'm here.
And then he lets Javi stay home.
Nah, that's what he left. He was like, already.
We do.
Behind every good crew, there's a good foreman doing nothing.
Sorry, man.
Fuck. Fucking dudes are fucking ripping this 3-layer off yesterday. Started fucking raining on them. This fucking week is fucked up. Nobody wants to tear off fucking 3 layers and fucking the rain comes and they had to dry it in at the same time. So they did good. We didn't get no calls from the customer, no leaks in the building. Kept it watertight. Tearing off in the fucking rainy season. But hopefully they get this tear off finished up today. Beacon Building Products. We got the PO on this one. They're waiting on their crane truck. The conveyor belt couldn't make it up here, so get the materials loaded today. Get it dried in, and then come back Monday and start on the install.
Pero
Look pissed off. You don't have a rope either? Dude, no, you got to. Dude, he's going to the ground. You can take his rope and shit. These guys fucking scare me, bro. They got balls of steel. They just fucking go work the edge, no rope. They don't give a fuck. So you gotta come through, make sure safety. I'm sure when they leave, when I leave, they're fucking gonna be taking these ropes off. Yeah. OSHA will be down there on the ground taking fucking pictures, sending me fines. But always remember, they're fired before they hit the ground. We're right.